A sombre protest to mark the supposed death of Spanish public health and education. Just the latest in a long series of demonstrations against the austerity programme of the government of Mariano Rajoy. But unrest on the streets is not the government's biggest concern right now. Instead, it's worried about Spain's status as a focus of Eurozone debt turbulence. The risk premium for Spanish debt rose to a record high this week of over 500 points. Greece, Ireland and Portugal all required EU rescue packages after reaching similar levels. Speculation over whether Greece has a future in the Eurozone has spread, with talk now of whether the Spanish economy can weather the storm.
If we all make an effort, and I mean even those who are richest, Spain could definitely get out of this situation without needing a bailout and without cutting areas such as health and education.
This woman says that going back to the peseta would be unthinkable and very bad for Spain, even though she doesn't believe the euro has helped the country. There was bad news on Thursday as the government confirmed that the economy is back in recession. Also, shares in Bankia, a bank that the government nationalised just days ago, plummeted. While Spanish sovereign debt has been under serious pressure in recent days, so too has the Spanish stock exchange, with share prices dipping badly. And though the government blames this situation mainly on the political crisis in Greece, there are other, more domestic factors at work too. The banking sector has become a major headache for the government. It has presented a reform of the system which aims to clean up bad assets left by a burst real estate bubble. But the markets, it seems, are not convinced.
Financial reform came late, as Rajoy said, and came in a very bad moment.
And while Rajoy is pursuing EU targets by slashing spending, this policy can also backfire.
Cutting the deficit may seem a good news, but if markets they don't see a growing pattern, at the end of the day, people are not silly.
Spain hopes that the current market turbulence is merely a temporary spike. But as long as uncertainty hangs over Greece and over Spain's own beleaguered economy, the country knows that it will remain in the eye of the Eurozone storm. Guy Hedgecoe, Press TV, Madrid.